Welcome to our channel. Connecting your Fitbit to your iPhone enables activity tracking, notifications, and health data synchronization. Follow these simple steps to pair your devices. Step 1. Charge your Fitbit device to ensure it has enough power during the pairing process. Step 2. On your iPhone, go to the App Store and download the official Fitbit app. Step 3. Open the Fitbit app and tap Join Fitbit if you're new, or log in if you already have an account. Step 4. Complete the account creation or login process with your email and password. Step 5. Tap the account icon and select Set up a device. Choose your Fitbit model from the list. Step 6. Enable Bluetooth on your iPhone by going to Settings and toggling Bluetooth on. Step 7. The Fitbit app will search for your device. When it appears, tap on it to connect. You may need to enter a pairing code displayed on your Fitbit. Step 8. Follow any remaining setup instructions in the app. Once complete, your Fitbit will sync automatically with your iPhone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.